Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas.js. Canvas.js is a fantastic JavaScript charting library that empowers you to create beautiful and interactive charts for your web applications. It's incredibly versatile, supporting over 30 different chart types, from simple line graphs to complex stock charts. You can easily integrate it into any project, making data visualization straightforward and engaging for your users. Let's dive in and see how to get started with this powerful tool. To create your first chart, begin by including the Canvas.js library in your HTML document. Next, define a div element where your chart will be displayed, giving it a unique ID. Then, prepare your data, typically as an array of JavaScript objects, each representing a data point. Finally, initialize a new Canvas.js chart object, pass in your desired options and data, and call the render method. It's a simple four-step process to bring your data to life. Customizing your charts is where Canvas.js truly shines. You can easily modify elements like chart titles, axis labels, and tooltips to match your application's aesthetic. Experiment with different colors, fonts, and line styles to enhance visual appeal and readability. Canvas.js also offers robust interactivity, allowing you to enable features such as zooming, panning, and animation. You can even fine-tune individual data point properties, including markers and labels, for precise control over your visualization. Beyond the basics, Canvas.js offers advanced features for more complex needs. You can implement dynamic data updates to create real-time charts that reflect changing information instantly. Leverage event handling to respond to user interactions, adding another layer of engagement. For large datasets, optimize performance by efficiently managing data series. Always consider responsive design principles to ensure your charts look great and function perfectly across all devices, from desktops to mobile phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.